Hello students, today we will be discussing idiomatic comparisons in English. Idioms in Hindi are called muhavre and in Gujarati they are called rudi prayog. So what are idiomatic comparisons? Idiomatic comparisons mean when we are using an idiom to metaphorically compare someone's nature, someone's speech or someone's intention. So let's get started and understand idiomatic comparisons in English and their meanings in Hindi and Gujarati. The first one is as bitter as gall. Zehar jevu kadvu. Zahar jaisa kadwa. This could be used for someone's speech or somebody's words which were so bad that they felt like a poison. As black as coal. Kolsa jevu kadu. Koile jaisa kala. Now, this can be used to describe a color black, which is jet black, or maybe sometimes somebody's heart, which is very heartless, and also to describe the night, which could be extremely dark with no sign of light. As blind as a bat, चामाचिड़िया जीव आंधड़ू, चमगादड़ जैसा अंधा. Bat cannot see. So the person who cannot see or is on purpose not trying to see something is referred to as blind as a bat. As brave as a lion, सिंह जेऊ बहादुर, शेर जैसा बहादुर. So someone's bravery is compared to that of a lion's bravery. As bright as a star, तारा जेऊ तेजस्वी, सितारे जैसा तेजस्वी. This can be used in two ways. One as in illumination, bright. Another as in intelligent, very clever. So two references can be made with someone's intelligence as well as illumination of something. It could be used for human beings as well as for things. As busy as a bee, मधुमाखी जेऊ व्यस्त, मधुमक्खी जैसा व्यस्त. This particular idiom or idiomatic comparison is used more to taunt someone or to use sarcastically. जब कोई बहुत ही व्यस्त होता है, that person is compared to with a honeybee. As cold as ice, बर्फ जेऊ ठंडू, बर्फ जैसा ठंडा. Now this is not used for something which is very cold or very less in temperature, but it is someone who is very insensitive or heartless and not paying attention or not reacting or being very unresponsive to somebody's pain. That person is known as cold as ice. As cool as cucumber, काकड़ी जेऊ शीतल, ककड़ी जैसा शीतल. This is used for somebody's nature or for someone who is always cool in a lot of stress. As cunning as a fox, शियार जेऊ लुच्चू, लोमड़ी जैसा चालाक. So fox is a very cunning animal, and if some human being is showing behavior of cunningness, then that person is compared to as a fox. As dark as midnight, मध्यरात्रि जेऊ अंधकारमय, मध्यरात्रि जैसा अंधकारमय. So midnight is a time when it is too dark. So if there is an environment where there is a lot of darkness and no light, then it is compared with midnight. As deep as a well, कुआं जेऊ ऊंडू, कुएं जैसा गहरा. Now this is exactly not used for describing depth of something, but this is more used as describing a person who is very mysterious or who is very secretive, who does not release or reveal his or her secrets easily and keeps it inside, and that person is called as deep as a well. As firm as a rock, खड़क जेऊ तटस्थ, खड़क जैसा अटल. So a person who stands firm on his decision or does not change, then he or she is compared to that of a rock which cannot be moved easily. As free as a bird or as free as air, पक्षी जेऊ आजाद अथवा तो हवा जेऊ आजाद, पंछी जैसा आजाद या फिर हवा जैसा आजाद. A bird is free, air is free. It can cross boundaries and go wherever it likes without anybody's permission. So a person who is free, has lots of freedom, is compared with a bird or air. As fit as a fiddle, वांसड़ी जेऊ तंदुरुस्त, बांसुरी जैसा तंदुरुस्त. So the strength and the slimness of the flute is compared with the fitness of an individual, and therefore somebody who is very fit, very healthy is compared with a fiddle. As green as grass, घास जेऊ लीलू, घास जैसा हरा. So something which is extremely green and fresh is compared with grass which is very soothingly green, and therefore green color is used for comparison. As hungry as a pig or as hungry as a hawk. डुक्कर जेऊ खाउद्रू, बाज पक्षी जेऊ खाउद्रू. सुअर जैसा बुक्खड़, चील पंछी जैसा बुक्खड़. So a pig and a hawk, they eat a lot, and if some individual is eating a lot and is always hungry, then that person is compared to, his appetite is compared to with a pig's appetite or a hawk's appetite. As playful as a kitten. બિલાડીના બચ્ચા જેવું રમતિયાળ, બિલોટે જૈસા ચંચલ. Somebody who is childlike, not childish but childlike, then that person's playfulness is compared with that of a kitten, extremely active and childlike. As quick as a thought. વિચાર જેવું ઝડપીલું, વિચાર જૈસા શીઘ્ર. So this can be compared with someone's speed of walking, running, driving, anything, flying, and a thought is the quickest in the world. In a fraction of second you can go wherever you want, and therefore if somebody is very quick, then his or her quickness is compared with that of a thought. As certain as death, it means it is certain that it will happen, it's a fact and it will remain. મૃત્યુ જેવું નિશ્ચિત, મૃત્યુ જૈસા નિશ્ચિત. અનિવાર્ય, મૃત્યુ જેવું અનિવાર્ય પણ કહી શકો. As clear as a crystal, કાચ જેવું પારદર્શક, કાચ જૈસા પારદર્શક. So there is nothing to hide, and if all things are clear, there is openness, there is transparency, then this idiom is used to express the clarity which is as clear as a crystal. As red as blood, લોહી જેવું લાલ, ખૂન જૈસા લાલ. So it could be used for somebody's health which is good, so the cheeks are as red as blood, or it could be used to also describe color of something as red as blood. As pale as yellow, પીળા રંગ જેવું ફિક્કું, પીલે રંગ જૈસા ફીકા. So this is mostly used for someone's health which is pale and having less blood in the body. Therefore yellow color is used to show paleness or sickness. As sharp as a razor, ઉસ્ત્રા જેવું ધારદાર, ઉસ્ત્રે જૈસા તેજ. This is mostly used for somebody's speech or words which are very hurting, and if that person is using the words to hurt someone, then we compare that person with a razor. As silent as a grave, समाधि જેવું શાંત, समाधि जैसा शांत. So if some person is very silent, not speaking anything, introvert, then that person's silence is compared with a grave. As stubborn as a mule, खच्चर જેવું હટીલું, ટટ્ટુ જૈસા ઝિદ્દી. So somebody who is very obstinate, very stubborn is compared with that of a mule. As sweet as honey, मध જેવું મીઠું, શહદ જૈસા મીઠા. Somebody's cuteness, somebody's speech, somebody's voice, or somebody's behavior can be compared with honey. As sleepy as a log, જાડા થડ જેવું ઊંઘણસી, પેડ કે લઠ્ઠે જૈસા નિદ્રાલુ. So a log of a tree which has fallen down and which is very huge, it's not easy to move that log, and therefore a person who is not easy to be woken up by someone, who keeps sleeping all day and keeps feeling sleepy all day, is compared with that of a log of a tree. As swift as an arrow, तीर જેવું ઝડપી, तीर जैसा तेज. So arrow is very swift and it doesn't make any noise while it travels quickly and fast. So if somebody's swiftness, somebody's quickness has to be compared, then it has to be compared with an arrow. As old as the hills, पर्वत જેવું प्राचीन, पर्वत जैसा प्राचीन. Talking about someone's experience or talking about someone's knowledge or existence, authenticity, we can use this as old as the hills. As proud as a peacock. Peacock is known as a very arrogant bird because it is beautiful, and therefore somebody who is very arrogant, very proud of his or her qualities and is rude sometimes and arrogant with others is compared with that of a peacock. मोर જેવું અભિમાની, મોર જૈસા અભિમાની. As tame as a chicken, મરઘીના બચ્ચા જેવું ડરપોક, મુરગી કે બચ્ચે જૈસા ડરપોક. Somebody who feels anxious, nervous, scared of smallest of things is compared with that of a chicken. As warm as wool, ऊन જેવું હૂંફવાળું, ઊન જૈસા નરમ. So a person's touch, hug, behavior, words, presence can be compared with that of a wool, which gives a lot of warmth and love and affection. As white as snow, हीम જેવું સફેદ, हीम जैसा सफेद. So it could be color or it could be somebody's intention. As pure as water, पानी જેવું પવિત્ર, પાણી જૈસા પવિત્ર. This is also used for someone's nature or someone's intention. As holy as a cow. Now, cow as an Indian animal is considered a religious animal, and cow is known for not eating meat, and therefore, this idiom or this idiomatic comparison can be used in two ways. One, to express that a cow is very innocent. So, somebody who is very innocent or very gullible can be compared with that of a cow, and also someone who is holy, who is pure, can also be compared with that of a cow. गाय जेवू भोळू, गाय जेवू पवित्र. गाय जैसा भोला, गाय जैसा पवित्र. As tired as a dog, શ્વાન જેવું થાકેલું, શ્વાન જૈસા થકા હુઆ. શ્વાન નિદ્રા, તમે સાંભળ્યું હશે. So શ્વાન નિદ્રા is something when a dog is sleeping, and if a vehicle passes by, then a dog wakes up for a few seconds, tries to check who it is, and then goes back to sleep. So sleep of a dog is very disturbed. A dog is always sleep deprived, and therefore it keeps barking on people, and because it is tired. So somebody who is very tired and is unable to sleep, and it is reflecting in his or her behavior, is termed as tired as a dog. So my dear friends, thank you very much. I request you to subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, and also follow my Instagram page with the name Best IELTS and English Academy. All the best.